Hi, in today's video I'm gonna give you a short review of a cat hammock. Hello again, so I want to give you a couple of close-ups of this cool ramp for the cat. So basically in a kit you get two cables, very good suction cups. All you do is you just put this loop through this thing that's sticking out and you just twist it, and then this is how it's connected to the glass. And you have another two suction cups that you put inside of this plastic tube. You put everything together, this is like a T connections, and you have one plastic tube, two plastic tubes. So it is pretty rigid. My cat is about 14 pounds and it's pretty rigid. I've been using it for about probably 2 weeks, and the bottom part is held by the Velcro. In my opinion, the Velcro could be a little bit longer because I cannot stretch it unless it's gonna stretch later. And also I just want to point out that my cat likes to bite everything. There you go, just like he's doing it right now. So as you can see, in terms of material strength, well, it's not as strong as I would like it to be, and hopefully it's not gonna fall apart too soon. And there are a bunch of other bite marks of my cat. So that's my only complaint, that this is not as strong as I would like it to be, and hopefully it's going to withstand the harmful use of my cat. Other than that, he loves to hang out on the window, and it gives him nice and soft area to lay and watch off the ground, and it's a good product. It's just that my cat likes to bite things. If your cat does not bite things and it's not a destroyer, you should be pretty happy with this. The suction cups are really sturdy, and they hold my 14-pound cat pretty well, and as you can see, he loves it. Right, Maciej? Alrighty, thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.